Hi folks, John Tobis here. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Cryptarithm encoder to generate a Cryptarithm. Basically what you need to do, go to the Codebusters site, scroll down, go ahead and find a Cryptarithm, go into the Cryptarithm generator. You can also get this by going in and generating with the test builder and adding a Cryptarithm to your test. But once you're in here, we've got this blank screen. How do we go about and generate a Cryptarithm? Fortunately, there's a nice little tool in here that allows you to generate a problem. So we're going to click on Generate Problem. We say, all right, what kind of a problem do we want to have? Well, we're going to just simply go for a simple A plus B equals C. We're just only going to search for A plus B equals C, but we need some words to try. Well, there's a button down here called Related Words, which will bring up the related words site. Let's find a phrase. We're going to go with hope, for example. And we're just going to select all of these, copy them, go back to our Cryptarithm, paste it into the words to try, and say search. And it'll go off and start searching, and it'll tell you the difficulty. So a difficult do something is going to be really easy for somebody to solve. But you can also look and see if you want something that's really easy, look for a difficulty 2 that the result, in this case here, you can see the result starts with a 1, 0. That's going to give them at least 3 of the numbers. It's going to tell them generally that the first digit's a 1. Here, it's going to tell you the second digit's a 0. And you're going to see that the first digit of the shorter one is a 9. Nice way of giving them a really, really easy problem. So we're going to take in here. In fact, let's go ahead and start with this one. Want plus yearn equals virtue. We go ahead and say use it. And now we've got this added into our formula. You can see down here, want plus yearn, you can see why V is going to be 1, I is going to be 0, Y is going to be 9. So we've given them a really good hint as to what it is. But we also have to tell them what kind of a solution we want. So we've got a bunch of the letters here. Let's go and figure out what we want them to try and say. Let's see. I see words in a true way. Just looking at all the letters, and you can see we've used everything except for the 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, I haven't used a V in it. Oh, how about in a very true way? We don't even, let's see, N, we don't, so in a very true way. Not something that they're likely to guess, but it gives them all the letters. But we haven't finished our problem. We say, oh, well, what's our question text? Fortunately, we can say suggest question. It'll give us a question to put in there. And how many points to assign it? Well, the new suggest points, looking at it, says, all right, I'm going to say 180 points. We're going to take it. And now we've done. We've created ourselves a Cryptarithm that we can put onto a test. Hope you have a wonderful day.